just literally completed this 9 weeks fundamentals course, where most of them start off with knowing nothing about research or UX design. And a lot of the designs, when you see them, you can see they've come really far.
To design a solution that helps new volunteers understand the build process.
He doesn't like to use apps or computers, so he prefers to do everything face-to-face.
Basically, the process from the initial assessment until the pickup date of the bike.
I focused on 3 key areas. So 1, visibility and autonomy over the schedule.
Next, we come to the solution mode, and this is the information architecture I created.
Availability, community news, calendar, refer a friend.
It really is truly amazing to see how far you've come.